Here's how to tie the Lighterman's hitch. Start by wrapping the rope around the support 2 times. You'll need to leave the end pretty long because you'll need to wrap around the support many times. Now take the end of the rope, pass it underneath the standing end, and then do another turn on the top. As you tie it, make sure to adjust these strands so that they're sitting next to one another. After that, take the rope end and go around the support and do another turn around the top. Then again, go around the support and do another turn. And finally, to secure it, take the end of the rope and go around the support and tuck it underneath itself to create a half hitch, and then tie another identical half hitch right underneath it to secure it with 2 half hitches. This is known to be one of the strongest hitches out there because the force is evenly distributed along the whole knot. It's easier to tie than the tensionless hitch, so use it anytime you have access to the free end of the post, like I have right now. Another benefit is that it doesn't jam and you can untie it very easily. To learn other useful knots, subscribe to our channel.